everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch. Today we're going to be making a Valentine's Day sign. I have this tray from Hobby Lobby and I'm just going to flip it over, and this is the side that we're going to use. And actually I used the same tray when I did the Christmas Believe sign, and this time we're going to do a Valentine's Day sign. I have some metallic red acrylic paint, watered down, and I'm just going to paint it right on here. And this tray is very lightweight and it's ready to hang, so I'm taking a damp paper towel and I'm just rubbing off any excess because I really want it to be more of a wash or a red stain on here. I don't want it necessarily to be a super solid red painted surface. That's why I watered down the paint and why I'm just rubbing off any excess. Don't forget to get the sides as well. I'll do the very same thing, just paint it on and wipe it right off. And then once I get everything covered, I'm going to just let it dry, and it should dry pretty quickly. I have these little wood hearts, and now I'm going to create a bigger heart out of these hearts on this tray. Once I get the placement of the hearts, I want to glue them down. You're going to want to make sure you have some clear drying glue, and I have it on a skewer stick. And I am going to take one at a time and add some glue. And you want enough on there to get it to hold, but you don't want it to get all goopy. Then you carefully put it back, press it down, and keep doing that with all of the hearts. And I wanted to keep the natural look of the wood because I thought it was a nice contrast. The glue has dried on the little wood hearts, but I thought it needed just a little bit more definition, so I went into my button collection and I pulled out a bunch of these pearlized buttons, and I went with mostly neutral colors. I do have like a light blue, but most of them are kind of a white, not white, or even like this light brown. And all I'm going to do is glue all of these into place because it gives the heart a little bit more definition. And I'll do that the same way as I did the wood hearts. Just pick them up one at a time and place them beforehand, because then it's a lot easier than when you're trying to do it and all of a sudden you're wanting to rearrange colors or sizes or something like that. And again, just make sure you're using a clear drying glue. For little accents, I'm going to add a red button right here. Then I just need to let all of this dry. However, I do think it needs a little bit more. I'm going to take some washi tape and I'm going to give it a border on the top and the bottom. And this washi tape is not really solid and opaque, so some of the color comes through and it makes it a little bit more subtle. So I'm going to run it down the side and actually tuck it under. So then you don't have to try to rip a clean edge. And then here it is. It's ready to hang because it's the tray, and all you have to do is hang it right on the lip. Now you have this pretty heart that you can hang up on the wall. Be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. Hope you guys like the Valentine's Day sign, and I hope you give it a try. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.